it's way higher than...
What's a drone? It's called drone.
Go get Randy.
Yeah, go get him.
Think about it this way, boy.
I don't care, I'm opening this. I want just to fly my own. Jeez! Be careful, that can explode too.
Thing goes up there, don't it?
Yeah.
Mom said they go pretty high.
Yeah, no. It's way higher than my remote control that I set
Who's
up.
this? Is that his? Or
Yeah, Joey.
Joey's? Oh.
Mom! Mama! Mom! Can I have the cat till it leaves?
No. It's theirs now. It's their kitties. Those are drones. Gonna test. We was testing to see how high they went.
Dad!
I want to drive it. It's fun. I gotta see it for a minute. Honey. I want to drive it. It's fun. I gotta figure it out myself too.
I didn't fly too.
He's got to know because he's got to help Joey.
Put it on the ground. I gotta help Joey with it.
I never get a chance because everybody else gets a chance.
Yeah. Oh.
You got a lot of air in it.
Can't really see it because it's getting dark out here, but that's a drone.
No, don't fall, Jacob.
It goes 150 feet.
Jesse, this is supposed to be your drone.
Don't ruin it. That's a lot of money your grandma spent on those.
What is he?
That's cool.
Yeah, I like it.
What is
It's little, but it's cool. I kind of wish I got one now. That's pretty cool. That's all. Hey, and then that one's the The right one's yeah.
I forget what we did last time. We did something.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah. Why not to just shoot it out?
If only it had a camera on it, that would make it that much cooler.
You could buy them to go on them, though. The ones that don't have
a big
them.
drone that came with a camera on it.
Yeah.
My buddy's son lives in Tampa. He's got one in his closet.
Yeah. My friend got one off Amazon and
So he's got to watch how high he flies because he lives so close to the airport. He can't fly too high.
yeah. My friend doesn't go high enough for a plane, but it goes pretty high.
His does, but I'll show you
Yeah.
pictures on Facebook while you see it.
It's starting to beep. I don't know if that means that it's starting to die.
When I get to fly it. I want to fly.
I'm gonna see how high it goes.
Why I don't get to